Come here. This is Lucy, the mother. This is Nog Nog, the black. Okay. That is Cheche, the one with like a brown, like a tiger. This one is Lele. Come here, come here, come here. Now they become a little bit friendly. I tried to make them friendly so that I can send to SPCA so that someone will adopt them. I can't afford to keep all here in my backyard. These are wild or a stray cat. So if you want one, guys, let me know. Just come here and you can pick it up. Maybe sooner they will become friendly. Now they start to come, but the kittens, the babies are very still afraid of people. Yeah, they're still scared of people. So that's why now I'm trying to give some food, the chicken, the meat. I don't give pot so that they become friendly. And aside from that, I have another whiskas to make them friendly. This is how you make the wild or a stray cat outside to make them friendly. You should have a you should be patient to make them nice and not to make them friendly. Okay, that is Cheche, the white with the white, and then that is no, that is Lele, the with the white. Cheche there, the other one there, and the one at the back, the one behind, and the black. I don't know if she is a boy or a girl, but I just call Nog Nog, and this is Lucy or Lucia, the mother. This is the mother, guys. It's very nice, very friendly, but I think this was abandoned. That's why I'm calling to the owner of this cat. It's a nice cat. Okay, come here, come here, come here, come here, come up here, come up here, come up here. Yeah, I try to call the babies. I think these are about more than 2 months now, or about 3 months, because they were running away. They're so quick, they're so fast. They can go anywhere now. Oh, look at, oh, look at, oh, oh, look at this one. I like this one. Look at the eyes, very cute. Just very black. Only the eyes you can see. Okay, say bye bye. Nog nog. Tell them bye bye. Tell them if you want to adopt me, please come over here. I want a shelter. I want a family. I want to be a part of your family. Oh. Okay, Nog Nog. Okay, I think this before this is very wild. Now she's trying to come. She's trying to come with me now. Okay.